can start earning while you're learning. And that's where the Daily Pay Blueprint comes in. So what is the Daily Pay Blueprint? In a nutshell, it's a proven program that is designed for anyone, but especially beginners, so that you can make money in digital marketing without all the guesswork. So how it works is there is a step-by-step process that teaches you the exact income earning activities that you need to do to start seeing results. And I mean daily results. The best part is you only need a couple of hours a day to do this. So I'm not talking about endless scrolling on social media and placing hundreds of links all over the place. I'm talking about a proven step-by-step system that shows you how to generate up to $900 a day. And number 3, now it's time to promote your products online. And this is where the magic really starts to happen in digital marketing. You'll be learning how to get your products in front of the right people, like those platforms that we talked about earlier, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. And don't worry if you don't know how to do it. We teach you that too. The blueprint shows you how to create content and make posts that will attract your perfect customer and will lead to sales. And we're not talking about bugging family and friends. This is all about smart marketing and automation.